The alternative energy market is showing no signs of slowing down anytime soon. Robust, high-quality sensors and switches will be a critical aspect in the progression of reliable, long-lasting alternative energy applications. Why? Let's look at a few key player applications: wind turbines, solar inverters, energy storage systems, and e-car charging. Wind turbines obviously are constantly exposed to weather conditions. Surface mount read and Hall effect sensors use simple magnetic field detection to sense rotor speed without contact. In excessive winds, the sensor signals the turbine rotor to disengage from power generation, preventing gear train damage. Hall effect sensors offer solid-state reliability in an environmentally isolated package, while quality read sensors are designed in robust thermoset overmolded packages, protecting them from extreme temperature and weather. Solar inverters are poised to play a key role in effective, eco-friendly alternative energy solutions. But their effectiveness relies on excellent isolation to maximize efficiency. That's where high isolation read relays and switches can shine. Quality read relays can measure isolation resistance across multiple components in a solar power system and even identify current leaks, saving power and preventing hazards. For example, Standex's MHV read relay series has an isolation resistance of minimum 10 to the 10th ohm and an isolation voltage over 3 kilovolts while maintaining a very small package, ideal for solar energy systems. Finally, let's talk about EV charging. Tiny magnetic sensors ensure safe and efficient charging cycles by continually checking the correct position of the connector in the port, interrupting the power supply if a fault is detected. Hermetically sealed switches last for billions of switching operations, so they can monitor and protect for years. Standex offers an extensive range of read and Hall effect sensors ideal for the demands of alternative energy, like the MHV series mentioned earlier, and the ultra-miniature MK24 read sensor. The MK24 is one of the smallest of its kind in the world and doesn't need external power. For Hall effect, the micropower MH04 and MH21 can't be beat. They promise consistent activation points over a wide temperature range, solid-state reliability, low power consumption, and ready for anything ruggedness. But sensing requirements can be unique, which is why at Standex, custom is standard. We specialize in customizing solutions that perfectly meet customer needs. In fact, special requirements account for over half our shipped sensors. Reach out to Standex today to get started on your alternative energy journey.